Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my current nighttime skincare routine. So firstly, I'm going to start by washing my face using the L'Oreal Glow Scrub and just wet my face first and then go with the scrub. I think when using a face wash, it's very important to make sure that it goes into your skin and you use it for at least a minute or at least 30 seconds. So don't just apply it and then rinse it off immediately, just so that it can do its work and actually work. And then I'm gonna rinse it off and then wipe it with a warm towel, and this is just my normal face towel, and make sure that it is dry before we move on to the other parts of the routine. Next up, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Bright Mask, and this just helps to even your skin tone as well as illuminate your skin. And I'm just going to apply it with my flat application brush and just make sure that it's evenly distributed on my skin. So after 10 minutes, I'm gonna rinse it off my face, and I'm gonna just use my face towel to make sure that it's totally off my face. Next up, I'm gonna use my Skin Republic Charcoal Peel Off Mask, and this one has 3 applications. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my face, and then after about 30 minutes I'm gonna peel it off. This helps to also remove my whiteheads, especially on my nose, and it just makes sure that your skin is rejuvenated and the old skin, dead skin cells are peeled away. This leaves your skin feeling so soft, it's unbelievable. So I'm just going to leave it for 30 minutes and we will be back. Now I'm going to peel it off, and oh my gosh, this is actually the most satisfying feeling ever. And my skin feels so soft after this, I'm not even lying. As you can see, the whiteheads are coming off. Obviously you need to keep on using it so that you can see great results. Then I'm just going to use my face towel to just remove any residue. I'm so sorry guys, the mirror looks a little bit dirty. I don't know what happened there. And then we're going to move on to the other parts of the skincare. So for toning, I'm going to use the Garnier Pure Active Micellar water, and I'm just going to put that on a cotton pad and just go all over my face with it. So micellar water just makes sure that it removes all the dirt in your skin, and it's also very great for removing makeup as well. The pimple on my face was coming for me, like it was coming for me. It must rest. Okay guys, next I'm gonna use my vitamin C serum, and this one has hyaluronic acid. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and oh my gosh, my skin definitely is improving in terms of like even tone, and just it's not looking that dull anymore. So I'm gonna apply it just directly on my skin and then even it out with my fingers. So you need to wait for it to actually dry first and then apply your moisturizer only after it's dry. I will say it absorbs really good and really well into your skin quickly. Next up, I'm going to go in with my Visibly Even Daily Moisturizer from Neutrogena and just apply it after the serum. And I've been loving this moisturizer. I've been using it since March, I think, and honestly, I don't even want to go to any other moisturizer. I am loving it. It doesn't leave my skin so dry, especially when I use a serum together with it. And it's been helping to even out my skin tone, and also my forehead does not have so much sores and blackheads and just a bunch of breakouts. So I've been really enjoying this moisturizer. And then lastly, I'm going to use my Vaseline Lip Therapy, and this one is the Aloe version, and I love how it smells and feels on my lips. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my skincare routine for nighttime. Do give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.